Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Another easy pasta dish. We've got bacon, tomatoes, a little bit of chili, sweet corn, some bell peppers. Really super easy and tasty. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So pasta, I'm using this macaroni. Get your pasta cooked because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce. So you can use any type of pasta you want. 1 can of tomatoes, 1 onion chopped, 1 small can of corn, some mixed bell peppers, some bacon. Now my bacon, I've already cooked it already. Garlic, bay leaf, dried chili, oregano. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, bit of salt and pepper. That's it, super easy. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I've got some olive oil in there. If you wanted, you could use a different oil. We're going to add in our onion, cut nice and small. To that we're going to add our garlic as well. Nice tablespoon of chopped garlic. I'm going to add that little bit of dried red chili and a couple of bay leaves. Chili flakes or a little bit of chili powder could also work. High heat. I'll see you in 3 minutes. Wonderful. So got our onions, garlic, that chili and the bay leaves in there. Now going to add my cooked bacon, the bell peppers, the corn and the oregano. If you wanted, you could be using something different like basil, rosemary, one of those mixed kind of Italian herbs. Salt, black pepper, staying on this high heat. I'll see you in 3 more minutes. Could not be easier. Simply, we're now going to add in that 1 can of tomatoes. Now these tomatoes were whole. I've crushed them just with my hand, roughly. We're going to turn the heat to medium. We're going to go for 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We are so close now. Beautiful. And that is beautiful. That 5 minutes just give those tomatoes enough time to cook. Simply, we're now going to add our cooked pasta. In that goes. Like I said, I'm just using this macaroni. You could be using something else. Penne, fusilli, tagliatelle, farfalle. Up to you. We're going to mix this in. Keep the heat on high now. We want this sauce to go in, on and around. Now, I didn't show you this earlier, but I'm just going to put a little bit of fresh Parmesan, little option there. Few minutes. Keep it moving. We're done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Super easy, super tasty. Like I say, nice kind of midweek, easy one that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a lot. Leave a comment below. We like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.